Hello students, welcome to the channel. Today I will give the answer of sources of history from 7th standard. Students, अगर अभी तक आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ इसे ज़रूर शेयर करें. See the first question. Complete the names of the following sources of history. First one, legend, Tariq, Bakhar, Powada, inscription, and next is monument. Moving to the next question. Let's write. What do monuments include? Monument includes samadhis, graves, virgala, and buildings include places, industrials, mansion, queen's quarter, and also house of common people. The question number 2. What is Tariq? Answer. Tariq or Tariq means the sequence of event. See the next question. What qualities of the author are important in the writing of history? Answer. The author's impartiality and neutrality are very important in writing history. Next, find the odd man out. First, material sources, written sources, unwritten sources and oral sources. तो इसमें आएगा unwritten sources. Second, monuments, coins, cave, sculpture, stories आएगा. Next, भुर्जपत्रास, temples, treatises, paintings, इसमें आएगा temple. ओविस, तारीख, फोकटेल्स, मिथ्स, तारीख. स्टूडेंट्स, आंसर को आप सर्कल भी कर सकते हो या उसको रफ भी कर सकते हो, तो एज पर योर चॉइस आपको जैसा लिखना है वैसा लिख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग कॉन्सेप्ट. मटेरियल सोर्सेज. तो मटेरियल सोर्सेज का आंसर टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं है, तो यहाँ पर मैंने अपना ओन आंसर दिया है, यहाँ से आप कॉपी कर लें. मटेरियल सोर्सेज कंप्राइज डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स, डिफरेंट प्लेसेस एंड देयर ruins. The sources provide insight about the period to they belong. Example: memorials, forts, copper, plates, cave, sculpture, etc. See the second one is written sources. Written sources of literature which help us to understand the history of different periods are called as written sources of history. It helps us learn about significant historical events during the medieval period. Example: treatise, biographies, Bhurjapatras, documents, manuscript, etc. See the next question. Oral sources. Oral sources. Oral sources reveal various aspects of people's lives. The various form of literature like Ovid, folktales, legends, etc., which are traditionally passed on from one generation to the other by the word of mouth are called as oral sources of history. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर मैंने बहुत शॉर्ट आंसर्स दिए हैं, मतलब जो मेन पॉइंट है ना वही आंसर में दिए हैं. अगर आपको इसे बेटर आंसर मिलता है तो आप वो भी लिख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, is it necessary to evaluate sources of history? Give your opinion. Answer. Yes, it is important to evaluate the sources of history. Any source of information cannot be termed as authentic just because it is old. The information should also be verified with other contemporary sources. Hence, we can say that it is necessary to evaluate the sources of history. Question number 6. Write why in your words. A stone inscription is considered to be an authentic source of history. Answer. An inscription refers to the carving on a stone, a wall, etc. Inscription provide authentic information about individuals, society, place, and time, which are considered as a vital factors from the point of history. Hence, a stone inscription is considered to be an authentic source of history. Next question. Oral sources reveals various aspects of people's lives. Answer. The various form of literature like Ovids, folk songs, folktales, legends, etc., which are traditionally passed on from the generation to the other by the word of mouth called as oral sources of history. They throw light on the religious coordination, financial transaction, economic conditions and technological advancement of that period. Thus, we can say that oral sources reveal various aspects of people's life. With this, we have finished our question answer series of chapter number 1 from 7th standard. Students, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and those who really need it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.